how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Outlook. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Monday.com, then simply click on this integrate button in the top right corner. Now simply search for Outlook, and as you can see you have 14 different features. So as you can see, you have item creation, sync, due dates, recurring, status change, notifications, and features. So all you have to do is simply look for the one that you need for your project. As you can see, basically this one here, when an email from this email column is received, add it as an update. So basically when you receive an email from Outlook, you're gonna add it as a task in your Monday project. So simply click on add to board, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on connect and connect your Outlook account, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.